Building a business is high risk. Here's why serious founders choose Dunlap Law instead of DIY LLC formations. Our LLC formation packages were built from the ground up to solve the real problems that founders face as they grow. Dunlap Law has served clients for more than 10 years, and in that time, we've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs launch right, and we've seen the damage done when people rely on DIY formations and then come and find us afterward. One client partnered with a friend to start a service business and lost almost $250,000 because the operating agreement she downloaded from the internet did not protect her from her partner. Another client is trapped in an LLC that he cannot leave because the agreement doesn't allow withdrawal without his partner's consent. He wants out, but he can't go. A third client was a passive investor in several LLCs until he died without a will. His niece is now stuck untangling a mess and discovering that none of the operating agreements protected her uncle or his estate. This is your life. It's your money. It's your future. Every LLC package with Dunlap Law includes structured attorney strategy calls, education on Virginia's default rules, custom drafting, and follow up with your attorney so that every client has the same high-quality experience. We are not a filing service. We are business lawyers investing in your long-term success, building your governance the right way, and giving you access to counsel who understands the pressures, the risks, and the stakes that every business owner takes when they start a business. People don't hire us because forming an LLC is complicated. They hire us because growing a business is. Learn more at our website, dunlaplawplc.com.